You are going to love 2011 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, security system, bucket seats, MP3 playback stereo, CD player, power door locks. Come see the car for yourself.